In this video, I would like us to look at a Laravel starter kit that is an official that is built for Blade. So let us go ahead and look at it. In our browser, we have the Imacrayon Blade starter kit. You can be able to search it on GitHub. Even when you do a Google search, you brought to this place. So I would like us to attempt to install it and see how it's going to be displayed in our application. And obviously, it has been made on top of Alpine.js and Tailwind CSS. And so basically, this is how it will look like once we install. So I would like us to go ahead and see how we can be in a position to install it. So you head to terminal, and then we will run the command Laravel new, the name of our application. So start, and then we can tag in using equal signs Imacrayon /blade starter kit, like that. So this is sort of like the brand name and then the package name, basically. So for any starter kit, even one that you have created on your own, you can be able to go ahead and do something of that sort. So I hit enter, and now it's asking us which testing framework we choose best. Now our installation is fully complete. I would like to just open our application in Visual Studio Code. So I'll just type in here cd starter to hop into the starter directory, and then I'll just do code, then a full stop, and hit enter. Now as we are in our Visual Studio Code, I would like us to just go ahead and take a look at our application and see how it runs. So I'd like to open terminal and then new terminal. And below here, I'm going to run a command to run the PHP server. So PHP descend serve, and hit enter. Now our Laravel application is running on port 8000. So I want us to go to the browser and check it out. So in our browser, I'll just type in localhost 8000. Now we have our Laravel application loaded. And so I would attempt to register. Now, as you can see, we have a nice registration page. So full name, I input William, the email address william@example.com, the password, repeat to confirm the password, and hit create account. Now we have a very nice view. Of course, the dashboard tab, my repositories, documentation, and then below here we have a place where you have my name, and if you click, you can have your settings, logout, and so on and so forth. So when you click on settings, when you look at this setting page, it looks exactly like all the other starter kits in Laravel. So everything here is pretty much the same. I would like us maybe to just hop into VS Code and try and see every other thing regarding this starter kit. And so we can go ahead and take a look at some of the files that have been copied into our Laravel application. So you go to resources, and then you go to views. And so basically these are everything that we have. So this was just basic Laravel components, and many of them, of course, you can see we have a button, group layout, nav bar, nav list, over settings, etc. Then we have action message, auth header, error blade, etc. You can be able to take a look at these files and see what they contain inside for purposes of understanding. When Laravel opened up the Laravel to even external or community starter kit, it opened up to development that can be able to be done by any other person. And in this way, you can be able to also create your own starter kits apart from the official Laravel starter kit that people can be able to install and use. And this is one good example of that. And so basically, this is what I wanted us to take a look in this video. I think I've been able to show you what it does. So I would like us to stop there. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have a comment, a compliment, thank you very much.